if the basis of these petitions do not fall within any of these categories, i.e., the incompetence of the CJ, the infirmity of body and mind, among other things. If the petition doesn't fall within any of these categories, the CJ can never be removed under any circumstances.
Right.
Absolutely under no circumstance can you remove a CJ if it doesn't fall within any of these categories. Now, if you say that a CJ has fallen foul of any of these categories that is laid down by the Constitution, and someone has petitioned for this issue to be interrogated, and you rather go attacking that person, then I think there's something wrong with you because you do not understand what it means to hold leaders accountable. You are losing the entire principles of accountability, the entire principles that have been laid down by our Constitution for leaders to account for their stewardship. Besides the fact that I do not see these interrogations that are ongoing as a persecution. Of course, unless someone can point out to something that is being done ultra what we all know. If there's something that is going on that's beyond what we all know, then those issues must be pointed out to all of us so that we can all contribute to the debate. But to sit back and simply churn out on false arguments that do not make any basis, whether in law or in fact, is sometimes to take all of us as idiots, and that is clearly unfair. It is not right.
So you disagree with those who say that this is an attack on the judiciary?
That's my simplest argument, that holding the CJ accountable if he has done anything wrong is not an attack on the judiciary. In fact, it's rather upholding the integrity of the judiciary, if that is what is happening. And I say if because at this point, I'm assuming that the information that is already within the public space may not necessarily be what is the basis for the removal processes. And I say this because what we have seen on social media and other media houses, and there's nothing official about them. And so I'll pretend that they are not the actual ones.
Right.
Now, if they are, of course, that is a different argument that has to be made. And that argument can be interrogated simply on the basis of the petition that has been sent. But mind you, all of us have to admit that our feeling and appreciation of what is right and wrong when it comes to this matter might be different from the adjudicating body. And the adjudicating body, we have two Supreme Court judges sitting on the matter. They have not come out with their findings. And so we cannot even prejudge their findings and conclusions before they even sit on the matter.